Hey guys, Kayla here from Running from Nowhere, and I'm going to show you today how you do laundry whenever you're traveling. If you don't want to have to pay for a laundromat, ship it away, or only book accommodation that includes laundry facility. So I've done a bunch of different things when I've been traveling, and I hate them all. I hate giving my laundry away. I hate paying someone to wash my socks, and I've had clothes ruined, and it all adds up. It becomes expensive and annoying, and I've been obsessed with a product called the Scrubba Bag for a while, and I actually was kind enough to receive a bag from Scrubba to try out. So there it is, drying on the fence. I just washed my pants. And I'm going to show you how you can use this product. It takes 10 minutes to wash your clothes, and whether you are like in the backcountry, you can do this. If you get biodegradable soap, you can do this in the backcountry with a water supply. You can do this if you're just hostel hopping or house sitting or wherever you're at. You can do laundry and not have to worry about it. So let me show you how it works.
Har vi alltid gjort så det är fullfest hela dagen. Stort och stort, det har vi alltid